In this episode, we're going to learn how to draw fruits, not just one or two, but 4 delicious fruits. So grab your colors and pencils and let's get started. What fun activity should we do today? Let's spin the magic wheel and let it decide for us.
Spin, spin, spin. Wow, I won, but it's too hot today. I wish to have some fresh fruits idea. Let's draw and paint some fruits.
Sure, let's get started. To draw and paint some fresh fruits, grab your pencil. I am starting with a rough sketch first. I will draw a circle and an overlapping semicircle to show a quarter piece of the fruit. Now grab a red color pen. Using the guidelines, we will draw the apple, leaving 1/4 space for the cut piece. Join the lines like this. Let's color the bigger part of the apple in one direction. Leave a little space here to show the shiny reflection on the apple and color around it. Now let's add some shadows on the sides and the top of the apple to show depth. Using a pale cream color, we can show the inside of the apple. Color the edges first, then fill the inside in one direction. This is the seed area. We can make it a little darker by adding 2 more layers of color. Make a small stem on the apple with a small leaf attached to it. Do you know, little artists? Apples are rich in iron, and that's why we say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Wow, that looks so real. I love apples. They make me strong and super healthy.
All right, now let's start with our next favorite fruit, an orange. To draw an orange, make a circle, leaving a quarter space on the bottom right side. Here, we will draw a semicircle to show a piece of the orange. Now color the orange and join the lines like this. Add some details using a mustard color on the sides. Keep the lines a little shaky because the orange peel has a rough texture. And don't forget to mark the top of the orange. Use yellow to color the quarter cut piece of the orange, and then use orange color to add the details.
Wow, that orange looks so yummy. I can't wait to draw the next fruit. It's gonna be so much fun.
Yes, I'm excited too. To start the next fruit, use your light green color pen and draw a pear like this. Because it is not a perfect circle shape, leave a quarter space on the bottom right side to make the cut piece of the pear. Color the pear in one direction. Shadows on it using the same color pen. a wavy line in this way to make the quarter-cut portion of the pear. Draw a straight line using a pale cream color, then fill the inside of the pear. Make the seed area a little darker. Mark the top and draw a small stem with a leaf.
Oh wow, that one is so bright. I love the pear. It looks so yummy and fun.
Good job, little artists. Now let's draw the last fruit, the sweet lime. This fruit is very similar to the orange. Start by drawing a circle and leave a quarter space, just like we did for the orange. But this time, we will use a yellow color. Color the sweet lime in yellow, filling it in one direction. Then take a chrome yellow color and add shadows on the sweet lime. Let's quickly complete our semicircle using a chrome yellow shade and draw a straight line in yellow and fill the yellow color in it. Let's quickly complete our semicircle using a chrome yellow shade. Draw a straight line in yellow and fill it in. Leave a thin white line between the peel and the pulp. Now, just like the orange, add small triangular shapes to show the details. That was so much fun! Now let's make our fruits even more exciting by giving them cute characters. Let's draw big, happy eyes and smiling faces on each fruit. You can make each fruit look different. One can be smiling, one can be winking, and one can have a big laugh. You can even add funny eyebrows or tiny cheeks. Let your imagination run wild and give each fruit its own fun personality.
Hey, I loved it! Now I can draw and paint all my favorite fruits all by myself. Thank you so much. Bye!